In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and extract a RAR file to your computer. This simple process will enable you to access the content stored within a RAR file, whether it's a collection of documents, software, or media files. Let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible for you. First, once you have located the RAR file in your Google Drive, give it a right click. This action will bring up a menu that provides several options for you to choose from. Among the available choices, you should see an option that says Download. Go ahead and click that. This step initiates the downloading process, transferring the RAR file from Google Drive to your local computer. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this may take a few moments. It's important to ensure that you have enough storage space on your device to accommodate the file. With the RAR file now downloaded to your computer, it's time to move on to the next step. To open the file, you'll need a program capable of handling RAR files. Popular choices include WinRAR, unzip, or unzip. If you don't already have one of these programs installed, take a moment to download and install your preferred option. Once installed, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Using the right-click action once more, select Open With and choose your installed file extraction program. This will allow you to view the contents packed inside the RAR file. Now, to make the contents easily accessible, you need to extract them to your computer. Within the file extraction program, look for an option that says Extract or Extract to. Click on this option and select a destination folder on your computer where you'd like the contents to be placed. If you're unsure of a specific location, creating a new folder dedicated to these files can offer some organization. Feel free to name the folder something relevant to the contents for easier identification later, like project files or media resources. After selecting your desired destination, confirm the extraction. The program will then proceed to unpack the contents from the RAR file into the chosen location. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and extracted the contents of a RAR file. This process not only helps to keep your files organized, but also ensures that you can access and use the needed files efficiently. If you run into any issues, such as error messages while extracting, verify the integrity of the original RAR file, or try using a different extraction program. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials in the future.